Hello, I'm Carlo Rillon and I'm one of the artists of Anyare card game. Isa akong former 2D animator sa isang Japanese animation studio, and right now I'm currently working as a typesetter. And sa side, I am currently exploring the world of art. Marami akong ginagawa na mga iba-ibang projects gaya ng comics and game development. Doing the pieces is a little bit of struggle for me because this is my first time to work with card games, and also wala akong sariling style. Doon sa kampilan, I used manga style, and it is also inspired by old school comics. So medyo old school yung kanyang look. And gumamit ako ng reference ng Kampilan sword dahil hindi ako masyadong familiar dun sa look ng Kampilan sword. And also, dun sa Yolanda piece, I used digital painting. And I reference it with church ruins, mga photographs ng mga churches na nasira ng mga previous storms. And I enjoyed this piece because even though mahirap siya, pero I projected my own faith dun sa piece na ito, that faith can withstand every challenges. Dun sa Katipunan, ang naging inspiration ko dito ay yung mga stained glass designs sa mga churches. And I'm also a fan of Magic the Gathering. So, dun sa Magic the Gathering, meron silang card doon na History of Benalia. So, I tried to capture yung heroic and triumphant feel nung piece na yon dito sa founding of the Katipunan. Mga kabayan, let us support our local products and artists. Kung di pa kayo nakakabili ng Anyare card game, ito ay available sa Kawangis Comics. Hindi lang kayo mag-e-enjoy, matututo pa kayo regarding our Philippine history.